Namaste everyone. In this video we are going to make super cute double photo frame Rakhi. So my photograph size is 2:3 centimeter, and which is why I am taking 12 centimeter to 13 centimeter colorful paper. You can take your own measurements according to the photograph. The trick is to leave 5 centimeter on all sides. Draw 5 lines of 1 centimeter on all sides. Now stick your photograph in the center and then leave 1 centimeter on all sides. You need to cut the paper as shown in the video. Now draw slant lines on all sides and cut it. You just need to fold the lines. Now you just need to fold the paper and make a frame. And yes, your photo frame is ready. Now I am fixing a transparent sheet and then decorating it. You can decorate it as you want. Make 2 frames. Now let's join both frames together with a black ribbon. You can use magnet for joining the photo frame. But I am using a colorful thread. Let's tie the thread and glue it with white ribbon. Your super cute double photo frame Rakhi is ready. If you had liked this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.